Yes. All right, let's go get the chicken eggs. This is a huge greenhouse that I kind of form into
Where
a
is it?
chicken coop. You gotta look for it. Is it in here? Come look. Open it. It's in there. Is it in there?
No.
No. Is it in there? Oh, wait, you gotta open it. What is that? Right there, down there. Look.
Do we eat it?
Yeah, just put it in. Put it in. Don't drop it. It's gonna crack.
It?
Yeah.
We eat it?
Uh-huh.
We eat it?
Here, no, there's another one over there.
No, I'm not eating it.
Okay, you don't have to
Don't.
eat it.
No, don't eat it.
Don't eat it. Got it.
Where?
Right there, down there. Look down. Look down.
That's disgusting. How do you
Look around. See if there's any more.
you hold this one and shut.
See, this is our quails right here, and
Where's your quail?
it died. I
How?
made 4 more.
How it die?
The cat ate it. All right, so get your basket.
Happen?
Yes, I did by accident.
Why you?
Here, just grab it. Grab the
Huh?
eggs.
How did cat get in?
It went through this way right here. There's a hole here. I didn't really
Who broke
close
that?
it off.
Who broke it?
Check. The cat went in. All right, get your eggs before the cat eat it. Get your eggs. Come on.
Where?
No, your little container right there. Your little container. Look. Look, the eggs. Hurry. Yeah, come on. All right.
It was there.
Careful.
Let's stay in here all the time.
All right. Was that fun or what?
Yeah,
Look,
I'm
you
gonna
got
put
2. No, don't throw it in. Okay, say bye.
Bye.